When you schedule a maintenance with Kilowatt, you can expect one of our highly trained technicians to arrive promptly to your home within the given window. Kilowatt technicians are EPA certified professionals who are drug tested and background checked. Out of respect for your home, all of our techs wear booties over their shoes. Now is a great time to communicate any concerns you may have. Is your system functioning properly? How is the airflow? Are there any noises? They will then begin a thorough evaluation of your home comfort system. Your HVAC system gobbles up thousands of tons of air each day. Regardless of how clean your home is, all air contains dirt, dust, cooking oil, soot, pollen, pet dander, particles that gum up the inner workings of your system. You'll probably notice our technicians' careful attention to detail. While working, we document everything with notes and photos. Using professional tools, we check pressures and amperages to make sure all the separate components of your equipment are working properly. Events like blackouts, power surges, and small earthquakes, as well as regular usage, all take a toll on the health of your system. So we thoroughly check and tighten the electrical connections, measure the microfarads of the power pack, and inspect and lubricate moving parts as needed. We also perform a visual inspection of the accessible ductwork for any damage or rodent activity. We check the condenser and drain line and clean the trap. Regular professional maintenance is the nicest thing you can do for your heating and air conditioning. By scheduling regular maintenance, you can expect to extend the life of your equipment, save energy, and ensure that problems are detected early before they can cause damage to your system. Enjoy your rejuvenated home comfort system. We'll see you next time.